my God. Come on. Share. There's another plate. You silly cuties. Oh. Faith. I have to run fast to fix everything. Seren? Seren? Hello baby. Hello again. Γεια σας και πάλι. Εδώ τρέχουμε πανικόβλητοι. Με χαρά βέβαια. Hey, Dex. Inside, safe. Yeah, Dex, bravo. Stay in. We don't disturb you. Stay in. Hey, Dex. That's better. Seren? Seren? Hello, Faith. Ella. Come on. Oh, babies. Better. What's better, mommy? Oh my God, those beautiful puppies, they grow up extremely fast. After when we took them away from their owner and we give them lots of food and care and medicine, they are growing up extremely fast. Now they are eating dry food already. They are eating now dry food already. Come on, mother. They are so cute. They started to eat dry food. Oh, bless them. Beautiful. And this is where they sleep. Nice and soft. Okay, I have to run fast. I have more things to do. And after 2:30, there are not any workers here, so when something happens, I have to do it alone. With the volunteers, I have one volunteer here now. This is Seren, beautiful lady, and Dex. Happy together. They go inside now because it's cold. Some dogs, they don't care, but Dex, he feels cold. He has short hair and he's inside. Safe. I will show you now Miracle. You haven't seen her for a long time. This is Miracle and her families. That's her there. That's Miracle inside, and her family. I got here when her family was puppies, and now they are all bigger than the mama. Miracle inside in the house, and her family, her puppies. Well, they are not puppies anymore. Her family, yeah, her family. They have grown up a lot. That's Miracle. She was very sick. She has leishmaniasis. Everything is okay now with her. She's on a therapy. They are very naughty. I took inside the blankets and they took them out all the time. It's okay. I try one more time. I'm gonna give them some more food. When it's cold, the dogs, they need more food when it's cold. And here is Kopela and Koritsaki. It's mother and daughter. We all know them. Okay, that's my beautiful Kopela. About 9 years together, 8 or 9 years together with her daughter. Okay, now I have to go again. I have to run fast. Bye-bye again. Γεια σας. Κοπέλα μου. Happy? Happy. Bye-bye.